Welcome your guests with this cute recycle, reuse, repurpose craft that turns a fabric softener bottle into a place for you to store everything your guests will need when they come to visit. Soap, a comb, floss, toothpaste, tissue, even a shower cap or band-aids. Stay tuned for more. All you have to do is take Brillo to remove the label, cut off the top so that it looks like this, and then make a cute design. I decided to go with something really simple, and you can just choose how you want to design it. You don't have to make it like this, but I thought it would be nice. And with all the extra bits of plastic, I made some petals and a little ornament. And I always like to leave with an extra little tip. This tip is to take some hot glue, put it on a silicone mat so that you have a shape that you like. Then take some Gorilla Glue or that type of clear glue to put these dollar store beads on it and one of these dollar store flat gems, and you have a cute little ornament. And if you don't want to tie it with a string, just add one of your regular holiday hooks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.